Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are at Giggle Ridge at Cultus Lake Adventure Park, the mini putt course. Here's hole 16. Let's take a quick look at it. We gotta come around here. Do we bounce it off one of these rocks or do we roll it all the way around? I don't know. Whoa. Oh no! Unbelievable! When did you become so good at this game? That's a tie. You're still up 2, and we're hole 17. That means I gotta win both holes to tie it up.
Okay, do it then.
Ladies and gentlemen, you better stay tuned. This is getting crazy. Is that a bird? Is that a bird?